So 3 can be made only with 2 and 1. So we cannot have 2 here, because if we have 2 here, I will have to put a 2 here. That violates the rule. So it is 1, 2. That gives a 3 here. And 16 can be made only by 9, 7. And 17 is made only by 9, 8. So you cannot have 8 here, because if I have 8 here, I have to put an 8 here, and hence I put a 9 here, 8 comes here, and then I have 7 here, and 9 comes here, right? And again we see this is 16 is made up of 9 and 7 only. We can make 16 with only 9 and 7. So that 9 I cannot put here, because this already, these two have to make up 9. So 7, 9, 1, 3. Right, again we have the same thing here. This is 9 and 8. 8 cannot come here because 8 will repeat. So 9, 8, 7. And again we have 4. We can make 4 with 2 digits only by using digits 1 and 3. 3 cannot come here because 3 will be a repetition here then. So 1, 3, 5, and again 3, 1. We can make 4 only using 3, 1. So 3 cannot come here because we already have a 3 here. 3, 1, 2. And again we see that there is a 9, 8 formation here. 8 cannot come here. 8, 9, 7, 4. And again we have, yeah, this will come later. Okay, this is 16, 9, 7. 7 cannot come here because I will have to repeat another 7 here. 7 will be repeated. So 7 cannot come here. It is 9, 7, 5. And again 3, 1. 1 cannot come here because then I will have to put 10. But the rule says that the largest number possible is 9. So 3, 8, 1. That makes 3, 1 because I can't put 1 here. I already have 1 here, and 4 I can make only using 1 and 3. That gives 6 here. Now if we see, 3 plus 6, 9 plus 3, 12. 9, 10, 12. I have to make 17 out of these two, and I can make 17 by only using 9 and 8. Let us check again. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 6, 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 17 is 29. So I have to go for 9 and 8 only. I can't have 8 here because then I will end up repeating 8 here. So 9, 8, 7. And this will be 4 plus 8, 12 plus 5, 17 plus 9, 26. Let's check that again. 10, 13, 21, 26. Again, 15 is either 9, 6 or 8, 7. So it's either 9, 6 or 8, 7. There is a 9 and 8 here. So it's either 9, 6 or 8, 7. 8, 7 cannot work because if I put 8 here, I have to put a 2 here. And there is already a 2 here. So it is 9, 6, 1. And now we see that 3 plus 6, 9 plus 9, 18 plus 8, 26. This together have to make it 9, because again let's check that again. 3 plus 6, 9, 9 plus 9, 18 plus 8, 26. This has to become 9. So 8, 1 not possible. There is an 8 already. 7, 2 possible. 6, 3 not possible. 5, 4. So it's either 7, 2 or 5, 4. 7, 2 is not possible because 7 and 2 is there. So 7, 2 this way or 7, 2 this way not possible. So it has to be 5, 4. Right. So if I put 5 here, 2 plus 5, 7 plus 7, 14 plus 1, 15 plus 5, 20. I will end up with 2 5s here, and there's already a 5 here. So this is again, this is 2 plus 1, 3 plus 7, 10. So this has to be another 10. If I put 5 here, I have to put a 5 here. So it's 4 over here, 6 here, 5, 7. And now this is 3, 1. 7 plus 4 is 11, and 4 we can make with only 3 and 1. 3 cannot come here. 3, 1, 2, 10, 4. Okay, now again, this is 17. This is 17, and with these 4 boxes I have to make 12. So 12 plus 17 gives 29, and 12 we can make using 1, 2, 3, 6 or 1, 2, 4, 5. That's the only combination possible, which means that there is definitely a 1 somewhere here. That 1 cannot be here because then it will become 14 here. 1 cannot be here because the largest 4 numbers that I can have is 9, 8, 7, 6, which is 30. Then if I have 1 here, it becomes 31 at most, whereas it has to be 32 here. And 1 cannot be here for the same reason, because 9, 8, 7 is 24. 1 here will make it only 25. So 1 is not here, 1 is not here, 1 is not here, 1 is over here. 2 is not here. Again, I have to have it 13, because in 12 we have to have 2. So it's either 1, 2, 3, 6 or 1, 2, 4, 5. 2 is not here. 2 cannot be here because 9, 8, 7, 24, 2, 26. So 2 has to be here. Now we have to go choose between 3 and 6, which is possible, because 3, 6 I can have 9 here, and 9, 8, 7, 24, 3, and then it's 4, 5. 4, 5 is not a possibility, because if I put 4 here I have to have 11, 5 here I have to have 10. So the only option is this, which gives 9 here, and you will have 9, 8, 7 here. 9 is not here. 9 can be here or here, and 8 can't be here, whereas 7 can be here. Okay, here again it is 17, so 9, 8. 8 is here, so I have to have a 9 here, 8, and that brings 6 here. And 9, 8 is 17 plus 4, 21. I should make it 5. So 4, 1 is not an option because I have 4 here. 3, 2 is an option. So if I put 3 here, 6 plus 3, 9, I have to put a 7 to make it 16. But 7 here will bring another 7 here, which violates the rule. So it has to be 2 here, 6 plus 2, 8, plus 8, 16. And that brings a 3 here, and 8 plus 6, 14. You can see that this adds up to 16. Right, now to make 11, the only way we can make 11 with 4 is 1, 2, 3. Only way we can add 4 digits to make 11. To add up to 11 is to use 1, 2, 3, 5. So 2 is not here. 1 is already there. 2 cannot be here because that will make it 12 here. 3 cannot be here because that will make 11. So only option is 5, 9. And now we have to have 8, 7, 6. 9, 8, 7, 6 is 30. 9, 8, 7, 6 is 30, 32. So 8, 7, 6. I have to fill in 8, 7, 6 here. And I see that with this 4, I should make 19. And I can have 2 or 3 here. If I have 2 here, I have to have 1 here. Let's just imagine that we have to have 2 and 3 here. So let's put 2 here. Just imagine we have a 2 here. And now I cannot have 2 here because 3 is made with 2 and 1. So I cannot have 2 here. I have to have 1. So it's 1, 2, which makes it 3. 3 plus 9, 12. And these 2 should become 16. 9, 7, not possible because 9 is already here. I cannot have another 9 here. So 2 cannot come here, which means that I have to have a 3 here. That brings 2 here, which forces me to put a 1 here, 2 here. And now 2 plus 3, 5 plus 9, 14. and this has to be 14. 9, 5 is not an option because 9 is here. 8, 6 is an option. 8, 6 is an option, and it can be any way 8, 6 because you have an 8 here, you have an 8 here as well. Whereas when we come to this, or rather it's easier here, we have to have 9, 7 to make 16. 7, 9, and now 8, 7 is here, 8, 6 is here. So it's now 5 plus 6, 11 plus 1, 12 plus 2, 14. We have to make it 15. The only way I can make it 15 is 8, 7. Add it up. 10, 17, 18, 24, 29. 16 plus 3, 19 plus 8, 27. 2 plus 3, 10, plus 3, 13, plus 9, 22, plus 6, 28, 11, 17, 25, 32. So that completes the solution.